Hello, my name is Rommel of Western Philippines University, student of Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. This presentation is about photo documentation of artificial insemination process of Asian native catfish Clarias macrocephalus. For the introduction, in Philippines, Clarias macrocephalus is a popular freshwater food fish. Farming of Clarias macrocephalus is almost disappearing in aquaculture because by lack of juveniles for stocking. There are several techniques and processes of artificial insemination that can bring back the abundance of Clarias macrocephalus in nature and for broad culture of broodstocks. SafeDigEQD started a study for broodstocks development on some of the important economically marine fish species. Using of hormones for spawning of mature fish was reported during the initial work on broodstock development of marine fishes. For the abstract, 9 female catfish were distributed on rectangular basins and injected with 0.05 per kilogram body weight and 0.075 per kilogram body weight dosage of Ovaltine and a distilled water or sodium chloride for the control treatment. Male catfish was sacrificed after 24 hours of injection to get the testes mixed into the eggs of female catfish. During the stripping of female catfish, only fish injected with 0.05 dosage of Ovaprim showed high fertilization and no stressed eggs. In other treatments, or no egg were produced. The study recommends the use of 0.05 per kilogram body weight dosage when conducting an artificial fertilization of native catfish with a higher ratio of broodstocks for better results. For materials and methods, study site of this experiment was conducted in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan Laboratory Facility of Western Philippines University, PPC Campus. Catfish reproductive organs can be distinguished externally by the presence of elongated orogenital papillae in the males and a round opening in females at the lower ventral side of the body. The research design, um, it was replicated in three and it has three treatment: control, 0, and treatment 1. It has 0.5 ml per 100 grams. For treatment 2, it has 0.75 ml per 100 grams. For the artificial insemination, before injecting of hormone, give the weight of fish to determine the amount of hormone to be injected. Different dosage of hormone per treatment was injected intramuscularly into the dorsal muscle above the lateral line and below anterior part of the dorsal fin of female catfish. After injecting a hormone into a female catfish, they can be replaced in a tank filled with shallow stock water and placed into open space with no direct sunlight and covered with fish net. The next morning, after ovulation, male native catfish were sacrificed. This test excess cut into small pieces and placed onto a small piece of white mosquito net, 20 centimeter by 50 centimeter. After sacrificing male catfish, the female catfish will be stripped to get the eggs. The mixture of testes and ablated eggs was then gently stirred with disinfected chicken feathers for about 5 minutes. After the mixing, the eggs were placed in a rectangular screen net tray. The eggs can be identified by its color. Hatch eggs are yellowish and the rotted eggs are color white. For the results, in table 2, this is the total body weight of female catfish, representing that the treatment 2 or the catfish in treatment 2 is bigger than the other treatment. And the table 3, total volume of dosage injected into the female catfish. The control is almost the same, treatment 1 is almost the same, and treatment 2 has a higher volume of treatment of Ovaprim. Number of fish produce eggs. control, there's no eggs, and treatment 1 is only the fish that produce eggs, and there are also no eggs in treatment 2. In table 5, this is the result of competition to obtain the right amount of volume of overframe in control. Weight of fish times to 0.5 ml of distilled water. In treatment 1, weight of fish times to 0.5 ml of overframe. And in treatment 2, weight of fish times to 0.075 ml of overframe. For the conclusion, the best result in the presented study of artificial insemination of catfish was administered with 0.05 ml per kilogram body weight of a fish in treatment 1 because it's the only dosage that make a fish to produce eggs in this study. For the recommendation, future study about artificial insemination of native catfish should be select the mature fish with 1 kilogram of body weight and feed the fish 2 times a day. For better regulation for higher results for the future study of artificial breeding using spawning hormone and the volume of dosage to be injected is preferably 0.05 ml per kilogram body weight of fish with a higher ratio of broodstocks. The experiment should be performed during nighttime at 8 p.m. Thank you for watching.